In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an AI avatar in Magnific AI Mobile. To get started, open Magnific AI on your phone. If you're using the mobile website, a modern browser works great and the interface mirrors the app closely. Once you're in, look at the bottom navigation and tap Work. This is the hub for your creative tools. From here, choose your avatar. Take a moment to browse the options, preview how each one looks, and pick the style that best matches the vibe you're aiming for. Next, tap Use. This loads the avatar into your workspace so it can guide the look and feel of what you create. To shape image style results around your chosen character, tap Use as Reference. This tells Magnific to treat the avatar as your visual anchor. Type your prompt, keep it clear and specific, mentioning the scene, mood, or camera angle you want, and then generate. After the render finishes, go back and tap Use again if you want to continue with the same avatar or spin up another variation based on it. When you're ready to produce motion, tap Generate Video. Enter your prompt with the same clarity, noting any actions or pacing you'd like to see, and generate. Once the video has been created, go back and tap Use again to iterate, refine your wording, or create additional clips using that same avatar for a consistent look. Finally, remember that you can choose many more options, including Edit with AI and others. These tools help you refine what you've already made, adjusting details, polishing the output, or applying light edits so you don't have to start over. Explore them from the same area to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. That's the full process. Open Magnific AI, pick an avatar from work, use it, reference it for generations, create a video, and explore editing options. Follow these steps, take a moment to fine-tune your prompts, and you'll be producing consistent, on-brand results with your AI avatar in just a few minutes.